tornado watches begin, severe weather likely across the state. The first tornado watch of the day was issued for part of Alabama on Wednesday afternoon, and another will be coming soon, while forecasters watched clearing skies to the west of the state and anticipated more and stronger storms forming over the next several hours. The Storm Prediction Center issued a tornado watch until 8 p.m. for parts of south central and southwest Alabama just after 2 p.m. Wednesday. The SPC said there was the possibility of a few intense tornadoes in the watch area as well as winds of up to 70 miles per hour and large hail. The SPC was also watching storms evolve in northern Mississippi and western Tennessee and said at 4:30 p.m. that there was a 95% chance a new watch would be issued soon that would include northern Alabama. Extreme northwest Alabama was under a moderate risk of severe storms on Wednesday. An enhanced risk extends south and east over much of North Alabama and part of central Alabama, and a slight risk covers the remainder of the state.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.
We